Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews. Today we're checking out a 2025 MasterCraft X22 that was on display at the Orlando Boat Show. This one is stunning. I love the hull design on this one. Look at that flake paintwork that you got on the hull. The clear graphics that we have here. And this is just screams high end for every single feature that you can have on board. And one of the advantages of these boats is, rather than having an outboard or an inboard-outboard setup, this one is actually shaft-driven, and it's got an extremely powerful 6.2 litre V-drive Elmore engine on board. This should give you around 430 horsepower and around 479 pound-feet of torque. But these boats are all designed for family cruising, so I brought the family with me, and this is my grandkid that's on board. And you can see how comfortable it is to sit out here with the rear facing seats. Keep an eye on whoever you've got behind you, and the skis and the wakeboards. That paintwork finishes throughout. You can also see that it's really easy to get on board because this latch opens up, and then in here you've actually got steps as well that fold right into the water. So it's going to be ideal when the boat's in the water, but it's also easy to get on when the boat's in the trailer too. And then when you make your way on board, this one has got capability of having 16 people on board. And it's an extremely spacious boat for its size. But to begin with, there's that powerful engine. Now this is an Elmore engine. Elmore engines are typically associated with IndyCar and NASCAR. They're high performance, extremely reliable engine. And it's the torque that's the key here. They're not the fastest boats on the water, but they've got such high torque that they can power through and keep your wakeboarder and skier up on the skis for far longer. Speed-wise, you're going to be looking at the high 30s, and then you're going to have a fast cruise in the mid to high 20s. But as you make your way around, you can see this is ideal if you want to just go fast cruising as well. There's so much comfort and luxury on board. There's storage underneath the seats. Plenty of drinks holders, which also double up these days as being for cell phones and handheld devices. Stereo throughout. You get a nice little cubby up here. You can put your keys, your phone, your wallet, things like that in there. And then you'll notice that there's storage underneath all these seats. And when these pop up, this one's actually on hinges and it's almost the entire length of the boat. So if you want to put larger items in here, you could. You could put skis, you could put fishing rods in here. But this also gives you some of the toggle switches to the DC controls. You get your batteries in there as well. Fire extinguishers. And then the other side, you'll notice that we've got space underneath that rear seat, and that way you can put a cooler in there. We've also got a cooler from MasterCraft in here too. And I like the way that this one locks into place. So when the boat is underway, or even when it's on a trailer, nothing's going to shake, rattle and fall out of place. And then at the helm, you've got a really nice display up here where you get twin multifunction displays. These are all touch screens, and that's going to give you the full engine instrumentation as well. You get devices down here for charging up wireless charging. You get that control panel for the multifunction displays. And then moving forward, you can just see how much space you have, especially with having little men up here to give you a good idea to scale. But this boat can easily seat your entire friends and family on board for a fast day on the water. And I love all the materials, not only just because of the way the materials are constructed, but also the way that they contrast each other in a really nice way. Everything could have been simplified, but instead this one has got every possible extra imaginable. And then here you can lift this up and you get access to more storage. And this one's also got the fold down armrest that you can see. But I like the fact that this is in hydraulic arms, so for such a large hatch it's really easy to open and close because the hydraulic arms will take the weight for you. And as he demonstrates here, this is an extremely comfortable area to be, whether you're sitting in the boat show or whether you're out on the water. And I like the fact that the arms lift up so it's easier to get on and off. And then at the bow of the locker here is designed for carrying an anchor, so that way you can hit your favourite sandbar, drop the anchor out and not have any issues. And same again on the opposite side. And again, this storage leads all the way, pretty much full length, so you can have ideal access to put larger items in here too. And then this one is fitted with a Z6 tower. So the tower is able to be dropped down so you don't have to worry about height restrictions whenever you're towing it. But it's also got clamping boards for the racks. And at the boat show, this one was supposed to be 304,867, but it was reduced down to 253,118. And if you're serious about skiing and wakeboarding, and you're looking at chasing tournaments, you're not going to find a better boat on the market than MasterCraft. Everything's been designed about the shape of the hull and the angle of the engine to give you that perfect wake out the back. And I'm going to leave a link to MasterCraft's website, and they've got all different options where you can design and build your favourite boats. But I'd love to hear your thoughts and comment. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.